we're a fraternity, okay? We don't say these things about each other. So the running joke always growing up with Imtiaz and Ranveer used to be that they used to think I may or may not become an actor because I was very padhaku, like I said.
Hi guys, this is Akanshi. You're watching this on iDiva, and today I'm in a talking stage with someone जिसका दिल बेचारा नहीं बहुत ही कड़क है. We are in a talking stage with none other than Sanjana Sanghi.
Hello, hello.
Hello, welcome to talking stage.
Thank you.
Do you know what this word means? Talking stage.
I feel like you're going to make me reveal things that I have not done before. But lots of buck.
Yeah. So basically, talking stage is a stage before the relationship begins.
Oh.
Where you're only talking, you don't know if it will even become a relationship.
So we might end up together.
Might not. Let's see. First of all, I have to tell you this. I have a weird obsession with names.
Okay.
Like I love names and like of different languages, this and that. And when I was growing up, and I was so mad that my name is Akanshi and it's unique, so I should have been happier. But I was like, किसी Bollywood film में मेरा नाम ही नहीं आता. I am so mad. And for you, every time I hear Sanjana Sanghi, I'm like, Sanjana,
I love you. Oh my
Like
god,
that.
tell me about it. That was my whole life in school. Everyone was obsessed with singing that song, this, that, the other. But my dad tries to take credit because I'm 27 now. So he's like, I named you before all of this happened.
Yeah.
So we're not a post-Bollywood phenomenon.
Yeah. But I love that because आपके लिए किसी को गाना लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो बस गा सकता है.
Just
Sanjana,
yeah.
I love you.
Yeah,
like
you don't
that.
need to be too creative.
Yeah.
Clearly.
कि थोड़ा वैसे भी today's like we'll have to settle for the bare minimum because
Because
standards. Yeah, I agree. The way we both did. Oh God. Okay, I was just going to ask you. You have grown up in Delhi.
Yes.
And you've graduated from Delhi University. You're a full DU girl.
Yes,
So
hardcore.
what is that typical DU girl thing that you did or still do?
DU was my phase of block print kurtas and literally oxidized jewelry. I was very much that visual.
Yeah.
And then lots of tandoori momos in Amar Colony and choo choo naan in Mulchan.
What were your favorite places to hang out in Delhi?
So the thing is that school was in central Delhi, right? And central Delhi is like our wall is shared with Bengali market. So Nathu Sweets and Bengali Sweets is like it was right there.
Yeah.
तो जैसे stay backs होते थे for annual day function rehearsals, this that. Chole bhature, golgappe, matra kulcha. And then Khan Market. I think when you little bit internship just करने लगे और थोड़ा when you get some money, then we were like आज Vikchil जाते हैं या आज खान चाचा जाते हैं.
From Lil Rockstar to like now Kizzy Basu and then to Manjari in Dhak Dhak, how has the journey been so far?
It's been magical because barely I was 13 going on 14 when I shot for Rockstar, and just a regular kid growing up in Delhi, you know, koi, like now when people ask that did you always want to be an actor, my genuine answer is that in that world so far away from Bollywood and films, it never felt possible.
Yeah.
So I wasn't delulu enough to believe that I could be like leading Hindi films at any point. So it's been a journey of a lot of magic mixed with a lot of hard work because you know कुछ भी नहीं पता होता तो एक चीज आपको सीखनी पड़ती है. So I treat those years as like my training ground to now be the start of this new chapter.
Yeah. You said that you didn't want to, like it wasn't ever a thought that you want to become an actor or something, and you're not from the industry in the sense that
Not at all.
sources and all of that film family. So how did it come into play, and like how did magically one day you were on a set and you were in Rockstar?
I've been a Kathak dancer and I've trained with Ashley Lobo since I was like 5 years old. So I was always performing on stage, and they had shot about 50% of Rockstar, पर उन्हें ये कश्मीरी looking लड़की Mandy के लिए मिल नहीं रही थी. So what I'm told is that Mukesh Chhabra, the casting director, and his team got so fried of not being able to find the girl that they were like, हम खुद ही अब schools जाके ढूंढेंगे. So they came to my school campus, and when they gave the brief to the dramatics and dance teachers and all, they were like, sir, एक लड़की है संजना, आप उनसे मिलो. And then I was thrust into giving an audition, and I gave that audition, and my mom just got a call the next day saying, you have to fly to Dharamshala, she's been finalized. That's literally how it happened.
I want to talk about Dhak Dhak.
Yes.
And because I genuinely loved it, and it was so,
I'm so glad.
it was so empowering to see female friendships, and that, you know, just like four women just holding the fort together, because
Yeah.
we don't see that enough. Now we have still started to, but we haven't seen a lot back in the day. I just want to ask you, how was it on set?
I feel like somewhere you think that you'll be able to do a female ensemble. एक तो इतनी कम बनती हैं.
Yeah.
Now there, of course, there was Crew and there
Yeah.
was maybe Thank You for Coming, but there's been few and far
Yeah.
between. But when I remember the first time Taapsee told me about the nutshell of this idea, I was just like, how incredible is
Yeah.
this story where it's for strangers also, right?
Yeah, yeah.
It's not Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, and that it's not that they've been friends from
Yeah.
before. You can just meet strangers along the way who can influence you and become a part of you.
Yeah. How is Sanjana Sanghi as a girlfriend?
Ooh,
How would you describe yourself as a
a
girlfriend?
self-analysis, a difficult one. So because I'm such a workaholic, the one thing I'm not is like like I'll never, you know, constantly be calling the person that I'm with, being like, what are you doing? What did you eat? This, that, the
Yeah.
other. And I get irritated if someone asks me 1,000 questions also. But I am fiercely loyal and like, if I love intensely.
Yeah.
So in that way, I am a little intense, I have to say. The one thing in the girlfriend world or the relationship world I actually want to know from like just our zillennials is that what the long opinion on long distance relationships is, because I've been in one before, and that is, I don't know like where people stand with that.
आई थिंक जेंजीज का ना, मैंने काफ़ी रील्स और काफ़ी मीम्स देखे हैं कि लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप में चारों लोग खुश रहते हैं.
Oh, mic drop. Damn.
That. I
Damn.
think that explains it.
Okay, I no more needs to be said. I'm thinking back to my past and
Don't. Okay, moving on. Let's get to our Pinky Promise segment,
okay.
where you have to pinky promise to me that you won't lie. And if you feel like not answering a question, that's completely
I have
okay.
a exit.
Yeah.
Okay.
The exit is your shot. We have
A shot of?
vinegar shots.
How kind. of you.
Diluted vinegar, so
It's
it's.
a voluntary interview and I'm being tortured.
But the twist is, अगर आपने आंसर किया, तो मैं
Then
पीऊंगी.
you will have a shot.
Yeah.
Huh.
Let's go. The first question. An actor whose filmography you find repetitive.
Acha, these kind, very convenient. I will absolutely not answer this question.
Vinegar time.
Dude, that's too much vinegar. I
That's
will di-
diluted vinegar, so don't have to worry about that. It's diluted, but it's still
That's-
vinegar.
I better be getting lots of cash money for this torture. Okay, half. Half.
ठीक है, half works.
That's disgusting.
Okay, next one. An overrated film in the recent times.
Dude, listen, we're a fraternity, okay? We don't say these things about each other. I will absolutely not answer.
Do you have an
this.
answer though?
Yeah, I do, of course.
I'll ask you off screen.
Huh. Oh my god. You better ask me something I can answer.
Let's see. I think next one you could answer. A role in the recent times you think you could have done better.
Better is always subjective,
Yeah.
but would have given my all to and really enjoyed to do in the recent past. Oh, I loved Jubilee and I would have loved to play Nilofer.
ठीक है, done. A co-star. Oh no, wait. I have to take the
Oh
shot.
yeah,
You
see,
answered.
I'm so
you're forgetting.
lenient. You're an honest gal. Enjoy. It's so disgusting.
I don't know why I also put myself through this. पता नहीं. Things you do for work. It's fine. Next one. A co-star you wouldn't want to work with again.
No, luckily in this department, honestly, I've said this before and I truly believe it, I would, given a chance, work with all of them again. So just for the sake of it, I unfortunately cannot give this answer.
ठीक है. That's fine. Fair. A celebrity who you would want to give truth serum to and ask dash. Like who would you
Oh.
give truth serum to and what would you ask?
Interesting. I would like to give a truth serum to Ranveer Singh and ask him what he's like when he's not feeling great, because I feel like he does such a great job of always
Yeah.
being the showman and
Yeah.
giving us that energy. But I know that there's a human side.
Yeah.
So I would want to know how he feels.
A movie that didn't need the promotions it did, which means that the movie was so
Oh.
terrible that why did it even do promotions?
The way you ask the question though means that
Good.
it's such a good film that it doesn't need any. So I will go with that meaning.
It's not
Frame
that.
the question. Arey yaar, this is another. Oh my god, I cannot answer this.
You have an answer, but I'll
I have
ask
an
all
answer.
of these
Yeah,
questions.
this juice I'll give you later.
ठीक है, done. Rapid fire, let's go. What do you love and hate being asked in interviews?
I honestly love being asked, and it doesn't happen too often, but I love being asked, how are you? How are you feeling? Because it sometimes feels like nobody stops and asks that. I hate being asked, how is it to work with XYZ? You know, how is it to work with any of your co-actor?
Yeah.
Because I feel like we all get stuck in that loop
Same.
only.
Okay. One person in Bollywood you would go to for the following advice.
Okay.
Love.
Love advice. I absolutely love Kareena and Saif's everything. Friendship, romance. So, Saif.
Okay. Fashion.
Fashion. Shobita, any day.
Agree. Career.
Career. Interesting. I do, and I guess I will continue to Tapsi.
Okay. And pep talk, if you need a pep talk.
Ooh, good one. Ranveer. 100%.
Okay. You still feel starstruck when you meet?
Not a starstruck person at all, but Hrithik Roshan is my all-time crush and love. So I think for life, I will feel starstruck by him.
Okay. One thing you would want to arrest these co-stars for.
Ooh.
You want to put them behind the bars for this reason.
Okay.
Pankaj sir.
Pankaj sir, for his humility. I feel like itni humility is, it's too enviable.
Agreed. Ranbir Kapoor.
RK needs to be arrested for being the absolutely chilled out human being that he is.
Okay. Aditya Roy Kapoor.
As much as people don't know, he's very particular about everything. Like, particular about how hot his coffee needs to be, and like whether it's lines, you know, the script, whatever. So, for being too particular.
If you had to change your name, if you had to,
Oh.
what would you change your name to?
Awful fact, I don't even know why I'm revealing it, but I was recently told by my mother that she wanted to keep my brother and my name Sameer and Sameera. And I'm glad my dad didn't let that happen, because that would not have been like the best combo. But I would like a definitely S, because all four of us are S's in the family. Sahana maybe? Yeah,
Yeah.
I like the sound of Sahana.
If you have called these following people, what is the reason that you've called them for?
Okay.
Diya Mirza.
Many reasons, but most frequently because she and I both work with the UN very deeply. So we're always thinking about what should be done, what are we doing next, etc.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pankaj sir.
Pankaj sir, for sir, किससे workshop लूँ, इस character के लिए कैसे prep करूँ.
Okay. Ranbir again.
It would be for, so the running joke always growing up with Imtiaz and Ranveer used to be that they used to think I may or may not become an actor, because I was very padhaku, like I
Yeah.
said. So it would just to be like, became doing this full time now.
And lastly, Aditya Roy Kapoor, if you've called him.
Many things again, but mostly to be like weird things like, I need a new sofa, where should I get my sofa from? He has a dog, Luna. I have many dogs in Delhi, so a lot of pet related stuff.
Okay. And lastly, a celebrity or like a celebrity friend who will always answer your call, but answer that wisely, because you'll have to call them. And we have a hamper also on the line.
Oh, risky. Tara never picks up, so I do not have faith in her. Adarsh is, I know, right now in Thailand shooting.
We'll
so
give you two chances to call.
Rohit also may not pick up. Ridiculous people, yaar. Let me try according to whose track record is the best. Thank you. trying to call Adarsh. He'll be shocked why I'm calling because I never call. I'm not a caller. I'm just like, text me and then I'll reply after 5 days. Like, that's the Virgo in me. Nahi utha raha.
We'll try one more person.
Let's try Tara. I'm feeling hurt and offended. My heart is breaking.
अब बाकी सबके बाद में कॉल आएंगे जब then you tell
हाँ,
them.
then I'll have
then
to-
you go off and be like
I'll make them send me voice notes singing Sanjana, I love you.
done. But for that, for this beautiful conversation that I had with you, can I please have the hamper? So for you,
Thank you.
tote bag also says something.
Yes.
So you remember us.
Oh, I love it. So cute. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much.
Sunflower cause sunshine.
Yes.
vibes. But
Love it.
Thank you.
This
thank
was
you
so fun. I had a blast.
Thank you so much for doing this.
Of
Don't
course.
forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Hi, this is Sanjana, and you are watching me on iDiva.